Hello everyone and welcome to this week's very short video tutorial. Again, it will be on the topic of setting up roadblocks to gain a winning advantage, a winning position, or to gain an advantage in the situation. This is based on the free ebook that's available on the Xiangqi Federation website. Now, as mentioned earlier, this is a very short video, but it's quite a good example in my opinion. A quick analysis of the board would show that Red would have one cannon, one horse, two pawns, and single advisor and elephant guard. Black would have more material with two horses, again same number of two pawns, but a full guard. So basically this would be to Black's advantage because of Red's very weak defense. So how can Red gain an advantage in this situation? The first move to make would be to trade horses, because after trading horses, the situation will be further simplified and it will become very drawish. But now Red can play c6 equals to 2 to threaten to checkmate. Now Black must defend in this manner, and he would then play c2 minus 3. Now this would place the horse under house arrest. It will be trapped, it cannot move over here, or the advisor will capture it. Neither can it retreat because the red cannon had already blocked or set up a roadblock preventing the horse from moving. And an interesting situation will arise now. Red would have a pawn that was free to charge across the river, and it could slowly traverse over here, trying to capture either one of the pawns. Now the pawn on the 7th file would advance, but it would be prevented from crossing the river by the red elephant. So this pawn would simply capture this pawn, the black pawn, and the two red pawns plus red's cannon would now be able to have a significant advantage over black's solitary horse and a pawn that cannot cross the river. So red will actually have a winning position in this instance. So that is why this is another very nice and unique or interesting way of setting up a roadblock to gain the material advantage. So it's a very short board, so I don't think there's any need for any review. And if you like the work that I've been doing, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing more videos to try to help you with your game. Thank you and have a nice week ahead.